morning, good evening, everyone. My name is Subramani. So, welcome back to my certification quick bites. So, in this session, we will learn about one more important certifications for a lot of aspirants in the DevOps journey. That is called as DevOps Leader, which we call it as DOL, right? And in our previous videos, we have seen a basic foundation exam from DevOps Institute. If you do not have seen it, I will just paste that link on the description for you to go back to see that and then come back once again. So we have this a kind of institute called as DevOps Institute. Okay. So this DevOps Institute is one of the branding institute around the world who takes care of all the DevOps initiatives and other aspirants and technologies and automations and everything such as OPECB or PMI Institute or Agile or Scrum Institute around the world. This DevOps Institute is typically for all the DevOps related exams and certifications and courses and other things. So this DevOps Institute has variety of certifications which we have seen last time. So some of the examples of that is DevOps Foundation, DevOps Leader, DevSecOps Engineering, SRE Foundation and SRE Practitioner, and Observability Foundation, and they have lots and lots of other certifications in their forum as well. So now what we are going to see is a level 2 exam, which is DevOps Leader. So this DevOps Leader, we can consider it as 1 or 2 exam, which is level 2 of your career. So what are all the things that you will learn in the DevOps Leader exam? As the name indicates, it's a leader related course, right? So you will learn more about ROIs, which is return on investments, value stream mapping, project management, and how do you handle a DevOps team, how do you create a process, how do you create a procedures, how do you define the KPIs, and a lot of other aspects towards this DevOps Leader courses, right? Let's jump on to the website to see more details about it. So when you go to Google and then when you type DOL and then DevOps Institute, we can see this first link called as DevOps Institute DevOps Leader. So this DOL is your exam code DOL, which is DevOps Leader, and it is typically branded from DevOps Institute, right? And as usual, you can find an authorized partner to learn this course, or you can learn this course by yourself, and you can buy the exam over here and then you can start writing it. So this will be the certification badge that you will be getting it once after you clear the exam, and this you can add it onto your resume to add more values to your career. And this is one of the prestigious certifications which all the recruiters will look into it, right? So it's good to have it as a DevOps Leader certified. What you will learn out of this course? You will learn what are all the transformational leadership and DevOps, and learning the behaviors becoming a DevOps organization. What do you measure to learn, measure to improve, articulating and socializing vision, maintaining energy and momentum, and it gives you lots of values to the organization as well as to individuals. About the certification, it is again a 40 exam questions, and you will have 65% of scoring. You will have multiple choice format, and the duration is 1 hour. It's a web-based exam. The exams can be taken in these languages, and it's an open book exam. So in our last video, we have explained what is an open book exam. An open book exam is nothing but there will not be any invigilators or someone to monitor you throughout an exam. You don't need to switch on your webcam throughout an exam, which means you have an option to go and drink some water, or you can go out and come back within this 1 hour of duration. But at the same time, you cannot open multiple screens on your computer to just browse it and write, because you will be writing it on a software which is WebDecessor from DevOps Institute, and once if you log into the screen, you cannot go out of the screen. But you have an options, or you have a flexibility to go out and come inside, drink some water, and then take some rest and then write an exam. That's an open book exam. And the certification validity is 3 years. And these are all the in-demand jobs once after you finish the DevOps leader exam. Like you can become a business manager, stakeholders, consultant, DevOps practitioners, IT directors, managers, team leaders, product owners, scrum masters, and other things. So which means this DevOps leader is going to teach you that helps you in all these aspects, and you can be in any of these jobs. You can apply for it. What is a blueprint for this particular exam? So what are the things that you will learn over here is like you will learn about transformational leadership, how to become a DevOps organization, what are all the measurements to learn, what are all the measurements to improvise, what are all the unlearning behaviors, what are all the different models for a DevOps organization designs, how do you articulate and socialize the visioning, how do you keep the energy and momentum throughout the journey, and what are all the benefits out of it. So whatever things that is actually needed for a leader of an organization, everything you will learn on this particular journey, right? And once after you finish this DevOps leader certification, you can go to any of these career paths that's right for you. Okay, so you can choose any of the career paths and you can try to work on it. So that's how the value of the DevOps leader certification is. And coming back to the cost of the exam and everything, when you click on the buy exam, it will automatically analyze your location based on your GPS, and then the cost of the exam will be shown over here. Typically it's around $250 to $270 depending upon the location that you are based out of. If you have any voucher codes from your authorized dealers, or if you attend any webinars or any of the courses previously from DevOps Institute, they might give you some 10 to 15% of discount voucher which you can use it, right? But this $270 is worth of it, because this certification will earn you so much of job and it gives you so much of knowledge out in the industry. So feel free to write this exam, and if there is any doubts or any questions that you wanted to ask me, feel free to put it on the comments and I'll be happy to help you guys across. Right? Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Happy learning.